happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam, this is Vancity Audi, and we're back with this beautiful Volkswagen ALLTRACK. For those of you familiar with the channel, we've had this on the dyno at Racing Grid to see how much power it made with a Golf R turbocharger. For those of you that are in the know, that's an IS38 turbocharger. We made significant amount of power, but using a 93 octane tune. Brian, since then, has done a few more mods and has spiced it up even further using Tunezilla software. Now, they are a local company to us located in Surrey, British Columbia. They've spiced it up with a flex fuel tune. So what we're gonna do today is see how much of a difference the mods that he's done and running an ethanol blend in terms of horsepower and torque on this dyno here at Racing Grid. Let's meet Brian and see what he's done since last time. So let me introduce you guys to Brian. He is the owner of this awesome Volkswagen ALLTRACK. If you wanna take a second and tell the audience what you've done since you were here last.
We've done the CTS multi-port injection, 980 injectors, CTS res delete, CTS low pressure fuel pump upgrade to stage 3. We've added the Venturi intake, and that's it.
So 4 major modifications since last time. You've also been to the track with this bad boy last night, which, if you guys wait to the end of the video, I'll show you guys how he did on the quarter-mile drag strip. I was really impressed, and so was everybody at the track, honestly. They couldn't believe that this station wagon, this dadmobile, with a tiny little 1.8 liter, was going as quick and as fast as it was at the track. So before, when you came here with the Unitronic tune, what bolt-on parts were you using at that time in combination with all the new stuff done?
CTS intercooler done. We have obviously the IS38 turbo, coils, spark plugs.
So very, very basic bolt-on build, considered a stage 2 plus, I think, by Unitronic standards. And back then, you were only running 93 octane.
Correct.
What's the ethanol content that you're running today?
Today we're actually running at E64.
So E64, and what are the capabilities of the tune from what to what?
We can actually run Shell 91 all the way up to E100 if we wanted.
Wow, okay, there's some flexibility in a tune. Again, this is from Tunezilla, a local software company here in Surrey. Really excited to see what it can do in the dyno. Let's see what it can manage. Three back-to-back-to-back runs, and we managed 379 wheel horsepower, 377 pounds-feet of torque, awesome looking curves, very linear pulls. The only things that you see here with this up and down is that's the Haldex all-wheel drive controller fighting for power front and rear on this all-wheel drive dyno. I also should remind you guys that these power figures are from a DynoJet calibration on this Mustang dyno. And here's a direct comparison of what we managed today with Tunezilla's flex fuel tune on E64 versus Unitronic's 93 octane tune. Gains of 33 wheel horsepower and 38 pounds-feet of torque throughout the entire power band. Some awesome looking gains throughout, and just goes to show what tremendous power we've been able to gain through the usage of flex fuel and Tunezilla's software. Now that we know how much horsepower and torque we're making in this bad boy, let me share with you what he was able to accomplish at the track last night at the Titanium Strip Mission Raceway Park. He's been drag racing this vehicle for a while now, but this is the first time he went all out on this new setup from Tunezilla. Check it out.
Way better reaction time in the TCS lane. 11.6, 860. is racing the Audi and Brian in the Pros. 11.53 and 117 for Brian.
Well, congratulations to Brian, an 11.5 at 117 freaking miles an hour with a 1.8T ALLTRACK. Wow, very impressive stuff. Congratulations on the world record. To my knowledge, that is the quickest ALLTRACK in the world with a stock block. That's the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder motor. Now don't get me wrong, there's other guys that have strapped Daza motors into those things and gone way faster, but for someone using an unopened stock block from the factory, I believe that's the quickest anyone has ever gone. So congratulations to both Tunezilla and Brian. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, take care.